Hello there, this is Matt, the ordinary Yorkshire bloke, and today we will be trying to show how to replace the remote control battery on a 2017 Nissan Qashqai. Let's see how that goes. So replacing the battery is relatively straightforward. First of all, you simply take the hard copy key out. That's done by pressing that little latch up and pulling out. So clip it up, pull it out, leave that to one side for now. Then the next, you'll need a screwdriver with a flat edge, and just there at the top you will see that there's two sections for you to put the blade in. Now carefully pop that in and give it a little twist, both sides. You see it's just starting there. Just try it again on the other side. Yeah, and you can see it's unclicking. Carefully open it up and you see that there's motherboard and the battery. Just place that motherboard carefully on one side and then extract the battery. Now the battery is a CR2032, 3 volts. Hopefully you can see that. Then I'll just get the replacement in, and it goes with the narrative face down. Okay, pop that in so it's secure, and then carefully match it up. There we go. Okay, once it's all put together, just reinsert the key and you're good to go. Hopefully you found this interesting, helpful, but please leave some feedback, subscribe or like. Thank you ever so much for your time. You take care now. Bye.